Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into some explosive news about Prince Harry and his immigration status in the US. With Donald Trump's shocking victory in the upcoming election, there could be major consequences for the Duke of Sussex. Stick with us as we break down the details and explore what this means for Harry's future in America. Prince Harry's confidential immigration documents could soon be made public, especially now that the Biden administration's protection of his records may be coming to an end. If Donald Trump wins the election, there's a strong possibility that Harry's visa files could be released, shedding light on a long-running legal battle. For years, the Heritage Foundation has fought to access Harry's immigration records, but the Biden administration blocked these efforts. Now, with a Trump presidency on the horizon, Heritage believes they have a better chance of winning their case. Niall Gardner, director of the Heritage Foundation's Margaret Thatcher Center for Freedom, spoke to dailymail.com, saying that there is now a strong possibility that the think tank will succeed in its appeal. Harry's immigration status came under scrutiny after he admitted in his memoir that he had used recreational drugs, which could have affected his eligibility for a U.S. visa. The Heritage Foundation filed a lawsuit against the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, after they refused to release Harry's immigration files under a Freedom of Information request. A judge recently ruled that the files will remain private for now, but Heritage is appealing that decision. According to Gardner, with Trump in power, the chances of those records being made public are much higher. He believes it would be in the best interest of the American public for Harry's records to be released for scrutiny. He went on to say that the Biden White House has bent over backwards to protect Prince Harry, but that protection will likely end with the next administration. If Harry has nothing to hide, he should support the release of the records, Gardner added. He also predicted that pressure from a Republican-controlled Congress would increase calls for the release of Harry's files. The feud between Donald Trump and Prince Harry goes way back to 2016, when Trump famously called Meghan Markle nasty after she criticized him. In a recent interview, Trump said he wouldn't protect Harry if he won a second term, criticizing him for betraying the Queen. Trump's son, Eric, has even suggested that his father would happily deport Harry if given the chance, and that Britain wouldn't want him either. Some experts, like Chris Edelson, a professor of government at American University, argue that Trump has the power to remove Harry from the U.S. if he chooses. The president can do whatever they want as long as people go along with it, he said. On the other hand, Michael Wilds, an immigration lawyer who has worked with high-profile clients in the past, believes that Trump may take a more strategic approach. Wilds speculates that Trump could allow Harry to stay as a favor to King Charles or even pardon him from any domestic legal issues. While deportation seems unlikely in a typical case, some immigration experts say that under Trump, things could be different. If Harry is on an A1 visa, typically reserved for heads of state, Trump could bypass standard procedures and make Harry persona non grata, meaning he would be expelled from the U.S. without appeal. Melissa Chavin, a UK-based U.S. immigration lawyer, pointed out that Trump could take drastic action if he chooses. He could declare Harry's presence in the U.S. to be against American interests, even using reasons like drug use or foreign policy issues to justify his removal. The future of Prince Harry's immigration status is more uncertain than ever. With a new political climate on the horizon, it seems that his visa records could be on the verge of being made public, and his time in the U.S. may be under closer scrutiny than before. What do you think? Will Trump push for the release of Harry's immigration files, and what could this mean for the Duke of Sussex's future in America? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.